How to find zero competition. Keywords in any niche. Ranking without competition sounds like a dream, but with the right tools and strategy, it's actually possible, especially when you're using SEMrush. What I do is focus on ultra-specific long-tail keywords, the kind most bloggers ignore. Inside SEMrush, I set filters to show keywords with low competition and a difficulty score under 20. Even if the search volume isn't massive, these keywords are often gold mines because they attract super targeted traffic. I once ranked for a keyword with just 90 monthly searches and made affiliate sales from it in under a week. The trick is finding keywords based on questions or niche problems. Things like how to waterproof a DIY treehouse or beginner tips for underwater photography. These are terms people search with clear intent. SEMrush also shows keyword variations and related questions. That can guide your content strategy. When you combine this data with tools like Answer the Public or Google's People Also Ask, that you build a web of keywords that dominate your niche. SEMrush makes zero competition keyword hunting easy and fast. Try it free today using the link in the description.